Hi, Aarti, good to see you. Good to see you, but I can't see you.
Hi, I'm just fixing my stuff.
Okay. Fix your stuff. Meanwhile, we'll chat with Preeti. How are you,
Wait.
Preeti? You're on mute. You're on mute. You're on mute. I can't hear you.
Oh, I didn't realize. Sorry. I was muted. So I was in Delhi for 5 days. I just flew in today back to Singapore.
Okay.
And yeah, being in Delhi, of course, it spoils you with food. So I
Where
try
do
to
you
eat
live
at
in Delhi? Which part of Delhi do you live in?
a south part,
Where?
Chhatapur.
Acha. So, oh, the Aarti is also Chhattisgarh. Oh, so you guys know each other. That's why I was wondering. Okay, so very nice.
Yeah.
Very nice. So I hope you ate some good Delhi street food and all.
Not exactly street food, but yeah, I went to people's home for dinners and all. So I had quite a bit. I mean, yesterday night I had a lot. The other days were much better controlled. I consciously ate properly. I have dare not check my weight. So for 5 days I've not seen my weight.
That's okay. That's
And
okay. That's okay. It's one
I've
life
not.
to live. You've eaten, you've enjoyed, and that's important. Because ऐसा नहीं है that the world comes to an end. You're fasting. That's okay. Now you're traveling. You enjoy with your friends. Now you go back and then you clear it off. Are you feeling heavy and sick? Or are you feeling good?
No, I'm not. I'm feeling fine. I'm really feeling fine. I mean, yesterday only it was an overload of food, but otherwise I'm feeling fine. So I want to go on a strict. I have a wedding to attend. I want to lose 5 kilos strictly now, and I want to start immediately. So what should I be doing?
What is your body type? You told me, Preeti.
55% Vata, and then 38% Pita, and then Kappa.
So what you need to do is you need to have your juices and make sure you have soups.
Okay.
Juices and lots of juices, lots of soups. Soups.
Vegetables.
Yeah, vegetable juices, fruit juices, whatever is as per your taste bud. But soup is very important for you in the evenings. Or
Okay.
have some soup and soup के साथ थोड़ा सा if you want some salt, you can add some salt as well. Not a problem. And make sure it's only vegetable soups. If you want, and how many days do you have for this 5 kilos?
No, the wedding is in midweek of June. July. So I have time.
Yeah. So 5 kilos you will do it in the next 2 weeks. That's good enough. 2 हफ्ते में हो जाएगा.
5 kilos in 2 weeks.
हो जाना चाहिए because you're going to be pure juicing and if you're going to follow juices and soups, it should happen. There is a lady in the US. Are you hugely over? What's your weight?
I'm 55.
But you're not overweight. Why? What's your height?
4'11".
Always 5 feet. You're all 5 feet. All of you are the same batch. 5 feet. 4'11". You are the Chhatarpur 4'11". Both of you.
Yeah.
ठीक है. Five. हाँ ये थोड़ा time लगेगा because this is the last 5 feet. So anyway, in the next 2 weeks, let's hope to get at least 3-4 kilos and 5 का देखते हैं क्या होता है. Not
Because
too.
when I did, which is 19 years ago, I was 42 kilos at that time.
That's good. That's okay. You don't need to be 42. That's fine. As long as you don't have any ailments anymore, right?
So I don't have touch with any ailments. I just got my blood test done, and I know you don't believe much in it, but उसमें मेरा B12 काफी कम आया है.
Yeah.
And why I also got my blood test done is because अभी मैं आपका diet कर रही थी इतने दिन से. So I wanted to see if there's been any change. I used to have always perfect क्या कहते हैं results in my blood test, never an issue. And this is the first time I have gotten a little bit of cholesterol. I mean, considering that I've been on a juice diet, और मैं दिल्ली लैंड करते ही अपना blood test करती. LDL cholesterol is above, so it's 121, and non-HDL cholesterol is 142. And
juicing can only clean it up. It cannot increase it. Juicing will only optimize it. Right?
Liver function test, I mean, the ratio is low, and just, yeah, certain things are just out of parameter. That's it. Otherwise, everything is fine.
You have the report with you.
Yes, in front of me.
Get it off.
Sorry?
Get it off. It means
ठीक है.
Just relax.
हाँ.
I'll tell you what. My vitamin B12 had dropped to about 150. 2019. I did 9 days of juicing.
Hmm.
And along with the juicing, I did a lot of sunshine massages. Lots of sunshine and lots of massage. And my B12 went up to 400
Okay.
only on juicing and sunshine.
Okay.
Right? What's your B12?
Uh, just remember it. It is 191. The
हाँ
range
ठीक
is
है हो जाएगा
230. Hmm?
the range is about 250 plus, but
Hmm.
you need a lot of sunshine, Preeti.
I
You need
do get Singapore is hot. 12 mahina, I'm out in the sun most of the days.
you get your sunshine and have your juices. Increase the fruits and vegetables which are high on B12. You can do your own research. So add that to your diet.
Okay.
Don't take any artificial supplements. ये 2 हफ्ते में पूरा ठीक हो जाएगा 250 क्रॉस कर जाएगा आराम से.
ठीक है. ठीक है.
Don't take these reports very seriously. I'll tell you why. If you have extra time, tomorrow do 3 tests from 3 different clinics.
सिंगापुर इज वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. अभी इंडिया आई थी इसलिए करा ली थी हाउस ऑफ डायग्नोस्टिक.
If you have time and extra money, do 3 tests from 3 different hospitals or whatever you call them, pathology reports, and all 3 of them will give you a different result. I can guarantee you.
राइट.
और उसमें से 100%, one of them you would cross the 300 mark.
ओके.
100%.
ठीक
तुम्हारा
है.
अगर जो रेंज के अंदर आएगा और एक कम आएगा और तीसरा पता नहीं कम आएगा ज्यादा आएगा. That depends on luck. Right?
ओके.
So that is the validity of these reports.
हम्म.
There is a problem in the body when you feel there is a problem in the body. When your sugar spikes up, you're lethargic, you're dying, you're sleeping, उठने का मन नहीं कर रहा, है ना? तो इसका मतलब शुगर बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ा हुआ है. But otherwise you're fine, yeah. If your body is okay, just fine. If you're 5 kilos overweight, you're not hugely overweight. इसमें ज्यादा don't have to do anything in a rush. Go easy. And I would also advise you in your vegetables, in your soup ना जो सब्जी वब्जी डालो थोड़ा सब्जी डाल लो उसमें वो कटा हुआ ना जैसे you're putting corn, put carrots, put broccoli, put whatever you want to. If you like garlic, add a little of garlic and let it go inside as solid also. थोड़ा roughage जाएगा body में. So it is pacifying for vata because it is cooked na in the soup. So
राइट.
let it go with the body, with the system. Make sure to add some olive oil. Don't keep the soup very dry since your vata is high. You should have some oil. मतलब when you do the vegetables, you saute them na before you crush them. Oil अच्छा है. Oil करो. Oil अपने body में लगाओ अच्छे से and make sure you get a lot of sunshine.
ओके. ठीक है. I'll do that.
Aarti, good evening. You were staying with Aarti?
Hi.
How are you
नहीं
doing?
नहीं. My in-laws stay there.
Oh,
You're not staying in Chhatarpur? I thought you told me you're in Chhatarpur.
हाँ, Chhatarpur ना. So my in-laws stay in Chhatarpur. I thought you were saying I go to Aarti's house.
Aarti is
That's
also Chhatarpur. It's a coincidence. If I remember correctly, Chhatarpur, right?
Correct. We both
but
stay in Chhatarpur.
Chhatarpur is very big, but yeah.
How do you know each
Acha,
other? Tell me.
so I have a similar issue like Preeti. My little brother's wedding is coming up, and that's on the 23rd of June. I mean, the 23rd of June is the first function, the main engagement. It's gonna be a big function, and I really wanted to lose a lot of weight. Like I am still very, very overweight. I know you're like trying to help me, but kuch stricter, kuch acha solid. I think I need to. Yeah, we have time. We have almost
What is your body composition?
44% vata, uh, 30 some 30% something kappa, and then 18% was what's the last one? Pitta. Yeah.
Okay, you are very similar. Height, address, and body composition.
And situation, I guess. Congratulations, Preeti, on your brother's or what that wedding. Yeah.
First cousin.
Yeah.
Okay.
You follow the same protocol. Aarti, एक तो अभी you I think you are more than 10 kilos overweight. What's your
Yeah,
height?
15 kgs. I am 151, like almost 5 feet. Yes.
And your weight
Similar to
was
Preeti. I am 63.8.
that you told me yesterday.
उतना ही है.
Are you going to washroom?
Yeah.
ये तो कम होगा ना?
Cheating भी
Exactly.
तो होती है ना.
फिर नहीं हो पाएगा. You can't. Cheating में you can't do.
I know, matlab, yeah, I'm really trying, but it's around like 4ish that I get like a bit, yeah,
So
hungry.
how do you cheat? What do you do?
I eat like, uh, what do I eat? Like, I taste basically a few things, whatever I can find in the kitchen.
What?
It could be a sandwich or anything that I find.
You will
Yeah.
never lose weight. You can't eat bread. You
Yeah.
cannot eat bread. वो एक bread का 1 crumb is पूरा दिन waste.
Is it?
Yeah. Even this one bite of bread means पूरा दिन का juicing waste हो जाएगा.
Yeah.
You are cheating with a fruit or a vegetable like ककड़ी खा ली थोड़ा नमक के साथ.
हाँ.
ककड़ी is amazing. इससे
Hmm.
नुकसान नहीं होगा. Fiber जाएगा. साफ हो
Okay.
जाएगा.
हाँ.
But bread is pure grain processed which gets stuck in your body. उसको पूरा दिन अभी एक ब्रेड खाया ना एक सैंडविच छोटा सा पीस आधा सैंडविच खाया अभी वो
हाँ.
कल डाइजेस्ट ही होता रहेगा
Hmm.
वेट लॉस नहीं होगा
Hmm. I know,
अंडरस्टैंड
but I
सो
get
यू
so
नीड टू गेट
tempted.
नो सो यू तो
No, I shouldn't. I'll.
I
So
don't
that's why,
help
like,
you I'm just being
from
honest
no,
you do
no,
not have
Sachim, from tomorrow, I want to do like something strict and for the rest of the whatever days that are left.
if you
No
need 15
cheating.
kilos तो नहीं होगा अभी even if you knock off 7-8 kilos there will be a radical change
I'm
in the
happy. I'm happy with 7-8 kgs by
वो
then.
हो जाएगा so 7-8
Hmm.
kilos you have to commit at least 3 weeks of
Hmm.
proper which basically means juicing पूरा दिन
Hmm.
जूसिंग करो 4-5 बजे जब आपको वो होती है ना टेम्पटेशन
हाँ.
you eat a mango
Okay. Yeah, that's a good
eat a
idea.
kakdi
Hmm.
eat a fruit or a vegetable
Hmm. But I can't eat a cooked vegetable, no? Just
no
asking.
cooked yeah you can like what
I don't mind a gravy thing like tori bhi. I don't mind. I mean, agar
you
mil
can
jaye,
have
I just want something
you can have the tori
spicy.
yeah have the tori बट
Hmm.
उसमें ज्यादा मसाला वसाला मत डालना क्योंकि मसाले से वाटर रिटेंशन होता है अभी आपको वेट लॉस करना है
अच्छा.
so if you're having
ठीक है.
tori have a normal tori but not the bloody moti mahal ki tori
नहीं. Like home cooked, but I wanted it spicy. I don't know, like
add some green
spicy.
chili na add a lot of green chili
हाँ, that would do. ठीक है, done.
फिर थोड़ा
Done.
हींग डालो हींग
Hmm.
जीरे का तड़का लगाओ
Hmm.
ऑयल या घी में तोरी की
Yeah.
सब्जी खाओ और थोड़ा नमक डालो as per taste
Hmm.
add a lot of green chili don't add large chili
Yeah.
lot of green chili
Hmm.
and enjoy that
ठीक है, sounds good.
evening when you're hungry have some soup eat
Hmm.
big bowl soup ka take some tomatoes grind them crush them have the tomato soup have a lot of tomato soup have vegetable soups have mushroom soup mushroom garlic soup very nice I get some yum soup my cook makes take the mushrooms saute them crush them add
Can you share
garlic
your cook?
I like your sense of humor we've trained you for a long time but I tell you what you do you
Yeah.
have mushroom soup have vegetable soup have all of that yeah, it's okay it's not difficult so what you're doing now effectively Aarti from
Hmm.
tomorrow you want to knock off those 8 kilos come
Yes.
to 65 you start off your day with juices पूरा दिन जूस पियो सुबह पेट
Hmm.
साफ करना है 3-4 ग्लास जूस पियो और जूस पीने के बाद ताड़ासन you go straight ताड़ासन left right and then you sit
Hmm.
you
Hmm.
squat so that you know the motions pass right थोड़ा loose
Yeah.
motion
Hmm.
squat clear your tummy
Hmm.
make sure you have castor oil at home ताकि जब पेट साफ करना तो 1 चम्मच castor oil पिया उसके ऊपर गर्म पानी पिया फिर खूब सारा जूस पी लिया अंदर चला जाएगा पेट साफ होता रहेगा it'll keep cleaning your system you
Definitely.
carry on juices till 4 o'clock 4 is the time when you get a little cheaty right
Yes.
so
Exactly 4.
exactly 4 o'clock you have your nice sweet Alfonso mango you get them at Modern Bazaar from
Yeah.
mangoes have
Yeah.
2 of those mangoes
Hmm.
okay फिर अपना भूख लगा तो चाय वाय पी लिया चाय नहीं सॉरी पानी जूस पी लिया शाम को 7-8 बजे बढ़िया सा बिग bowl of juice mushroom soup
Soup. Yeah.
vegetable soup tomato soup but अनाज को in these next 21 days Even if you touch one piece of अनाज, वो तुम्हारा
हम्म।
पूरा दिन वेस्ट हो जाएगा उसमें.
ठीक है, fair enough.
तो 21 days से कम में हो जाएगा. In fact, if you follow what I'm doing, I think you will knock off your 7-8 kilos much before that. And once you reach the 60 mark, you'll see a change in yourself. You don't look fat. I don't know why you guys say you're fat. None of you look fat unless the camera is such. Preeti
No,
to anyway 55.
No, my face is on the smaller side. I'm a pear shape. Yeah. If that makes sense. You stop laughing. Yeah.
Okay. No, I like your sense of humor. So that's good. So that's good. No worries. You'll be fine. You're doing fine. And just continue with this. Don't have any grains. Don't have any dairy. Don't have anything that gets stuck. छाछ you can have यार. छाछ पीने का मन करता है क्या?
No, I hate it.
हाँ तो don't have it.
ठीक है, done.
Mango shake with milk? No.
Milk is also not allowed, no?
Mango
Milk
with
is not allowed. Milk is not allowed यार. Generally milk से अटक जाता है. तुम जब तक weight loss कर रहे हो जब तक मत लो milk. After your weight loss is done, then you go to milk because milk is good for vata.
So we do not take milk and grains for the next 21 days.
Milk, grains, non-veg.
Non-veg don't eat.
हाँ, because पता लगे next time when I'm calling you, you say no, I have some chicken tikka क्योंकि मुझे
No,
vegetarian.
no,
Both vegetarians. So
no,
one
vegetarians,
like
yeah. Yeah.
ठीक है, so don't worry, so you'll be good.
ठीक है,
Also,
done.
myself, can I have salt only once a day or can I have it twice when I've sauteed vegetables?
हाँ, sorted डालो. Sorted में डालो नमक अच्छा लगे, उसके बिना मजा भी नहीं आएगा sorted खाने का. थोड़ा सा नमक डालो, सेंधा नमक. And you guys are वाता ना, तो नमक तुम्हें इतना नुकसान नहीं करेगा. कफा के लिए मैं मना करता हूँ.
Okay.
I can have the salt, no problem. It will go inside, it'll all come outside.
Perfect.
You lose weight.
Perfect.
You lose a
ठीक
lot
है.
of weight. So I'm repeating for both of you. Luckily, you have the same thing.
Yes.
Lots of juices. All day long. भूख लगे तो आप अपना फल खाओ अच्छे से. आम वाम जो भी सीजनल है. और शाम को सूप जरूर पियो. प्रीति एंड आरती बोथ. मेक श्योर यू हैव अ नाइस बिग सर्विंग ऑफ सूप which you will like. और उसमें गाजर डालना है, ब्रोकली डालना है, छोटे छोटे पीसेस डाल के खाओ, उसको चबाओ ताकि उसको जो फाइबर है उस फाइबर से क्लेंजिंग होती रहे. So what will happen all day long, morning to evening, you're having juices, the body will get into autophagy, you'll start cleaning up the old mouth. शाम को you'll have the soup with some fiber, वो सब साफ होता जाएगा. next morning साफ हो जाएगा. very good. लगता है कि थोड़ा साफ नहीं हुआ, 2 चम्मच कैस्टर ऑयल, गर्म पानी, फिर साफ हो जाएगा. बस खत्म बात. but make sure you go to the loo every day. That's all.
Last time I took castor oil, of course मैंने थोड़ा ज्यादा ले लिया था, मुझे डायरिया भी हो गया था, बट उसके बाद काफी दाने आई थिंक बॉडी में बहुत गर्म कर गया. पूरे सर पे और चेहरे पे दाने निकल, बहुत ज्यादा नहीं, मतलब सर पे 3-4 और यहाँ पे दाने निकल आए थे.
वो तो ठीक है, वो ज्यादा क्वांटिटी हो गया होगा. कैस्ट्रोल इतना भी गर्म नहीं होता. या तो ब्रांड से कभी-कभी ना some brands don't suit people. That could be the criteria. Otherwise you do
I
I mean
got cold pressed castor oil.
I don't know. We've got a very local cheap one in India. Agarwal's का कुछ आता है 125 rupees, which is the cheapest one. You do that and it'll help you. 1 spoon is enough. I think you overdid the quantity then.
I took 4 spoons.
No, you don't need that. Just
Okay. ठीक है. So
Okay.
before that I took 2 spoons, nothing happened. So that is why after a few days I tried again with 4 spoons.
Okay. Great.
no,
Great.
okay.
All right.
You travel Aarti by any chance? You do Bombay Delhi trips?
Bombay, Delhi. I was supposed to this Saturday, but I skipped it. I was too lazy.
What, you have business in Bombay?
No, there was a expo there at the Geo Mart or something, like something that's newly opened up.
Yeah,
I just wanted to visit it. Yeah.
Geo World Center.
Yeah.
That's next to the Trident BKC.
Yeah.
Yeah. ठीक है, चलो. I travel a lot of Bombay because Delhi में we don't meet up. We'll probably meet up in Bombay.
Yeah, like hopefully
Okay.
soon. Yes. All right.
Take care.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Bye bye.